All right, we've got some exciting news. Babymaker II Pros and Classics have arrived. Yesterday was a busy day. Our whole team, we got out 57 bikes from this location. We've got more going out today, and let's see who these bikes are for. 23 Pro for Robert in Tallahassee, Florida.
Thomas Bergen, Estes Park, Colorado. Hope you got your new atomic green bomber. Cheers.
Pro 19 Red for Omar in Miami, Florida. This one's for Joshua in Kalispell, Montana, Don, Jamaica, New York, Donovan, Seattle, Washington, Robert in Hollywood, California.
Paul in Chicago. We have Matt in Portland, Oregon, Batavia, Illinois, Brandon. Bet you're excited. Rob, Brooklyn, New York, Camilo, Highland Ranch, Colorado.
All right, Maxwell, Verona in Wisconsin, your bike's on the way. Dwayne in Washington, D.C., your bike's on the way. Rob from New York, New York. Scott in San Jose, California. We have your bike coming up.
We got Jimmy from San Francisco, Babymaker 2 coming to you. Luke from Virginia Beach. Nice choice with the gloss black. Catherine Bent from Boston, Massachusetts.
Jean, Central Park, New York.
We got Charles in Ontario. Mark in Verdun.
We also have a couple in-store assemblies picking up. This one's for Jess in Los Angeles. Beautiful bike. We did take it for a ride just to make sure everything was functional, and it's beautiful. Chet in Coronado. Beautiful atomic green Bandit. Big shout out to the team and Jeff for organizing this shipment, everybody for answering questions along the way, and a big rush getting these bikes out. From our team to yours, a massive thank you.
Thank you very much.